Well, at the other side of the Burntollet bridge now, that's my carrageway over there in the distance. So you can just walk straight under the bridge. There's this new fence up now. Last time I was here, I walked around the bottom of that fence. And that's probably the old garden centre. And Irvy Wood is just there. It takes you into an open field, dead handy way going to Irvy Wood. But now they've got this here to stop you. I can still climb the gate. I'm riding down and get under the gate. And we're getting this wee pond bit here. But the only thing is now, that outer bit of land the whole way around, it's got two gates going into it. There's a gate here and there's a gate up there. So they've actually got a lane here, so that must be for electric men. So I just hope this remains public ground. Even if they don't give you access, I don't want to find horses in here or something like sometimes. So we can still climb the gate and we can still get into Irvy Wood that way. There's an fence down there. I don't know. Can I sell this bit after somebody? Why would you fence all this off here? Okay, they're going to give us the electric board, this bit because of one pole. That lane there gives access to that house. So is that house going to get this land? I don't know. But that's fenced off anyway, so as long as I can get in under the wee lake part and walk around that fence, and I know that bit of land, I know it's separate from this bit of land. It's all complicated. Fences and gates everywhere. You wonder why. You can argue they want that fence to stop waves drowning like. But like, they put a wee path around it like. They've actually put a wee path to walk around it. Then again, that's probably for workers. Imagine they park the big vehicle in here. But like, I've seen another one that on the start, it all overgrows with grass anyway. You can come back here in a year's time, you hardly see this path. The only thing of that water there, it wouldn't be the first choice to let them drink from, because it does come from the main road and there could be diesel and stuff on it. Well, she's having a wee look there now, like. We'd still rather take them to a stream or a river first. But it's okay if we run in. Have a wee dabble around it now. So I'm going to head back to the car now and get something to eat. And I might just try it, go to Irvy Wood again. I went over the fence the last time. I didn't put wee linen over the fence. But the original lane in Irvy Wood is closed off for years. It's still there. I reckon it could be possible to get that way in. Well, Lena. But it must be 15 years since I used to walk that part of Irvy Wood. And I used to have a wee walk around it, but trees and all fall. New trees grow. I'm gonna head back towards the car now, Pet. Well, I think Londonderry doesn't have any forest parks as such. It's not like other towns. And this place is on its doorstep. This is only about 5 miles from the city centre. Why do they not build a decent car park and advertise it? I think they must something here. So all these cycle lanes and all the rest they put in, it's just basically for locals. Because the people living in that house can't visit the neighbours on the other side unless they've got a way across. The amount of people crossing that bridge every day, passing this facility here, can't get using it. I know I'll be coming here a lot more often now. I say, how many cars you get in that wee car park? I don't think get many cars. It's only going to be a matter of time before people start parking on the road. Be coming here. Oh, the wheelbarrow's got a puncher. Ah, she's got a puncher. Who's that for? That's probably happening on Friday. The boys went home early. Put a wee nail on her. Oh, I have to go now with a tire depot. Not after the day. Even then now you can't get over to that doorway at all now. That high fences keep you off the road. The good big highway. These low fences just to keep you away from the lakes and stuff and rubbish. I was thinking they got a nice wee car parking around here, the cars pointing in the ways, a wee picnic site. Look at that land down there. That not making it's very low lying like. See the thing with that there too, maybe that's going to become a wildlife thing. Maybe that land will become boggy and you're going to get wee weeds and all growing on it. It's all eco-friendly now like, to do these developments. They're probably making that there for some kind of wee slug or something that needs a certain habitat. And that's going to be the wee slug's habitat or a wee creepy crawler of some kind. It's not much higher than the river. When that river gets up, that's going to be waterlogged. Whatever the wee shed for, they left that behind. But like, even if it is going to be a wee wildlife thing, it'd be nice to have a wee path around it, wouldn't it? I suppose then you get supermarket trolleys and all on it. And why the barbed wire? Farmers use barbed wire. Why barbed wire if there's no animals around? I'm going to get a wee cup of tea now, and then we're going to do this other wee walk now to Killaroo. They're putting in a footbridge. See how they got on with the footbridge? I said footbridge will be a while before they get that in. That's going to be a big job. They were just more or less starting to do the foundations for the pillars last time we were there. Luna! See, that's all the parking you have here. Like, they can even put parking in there. You know what? It's probably not finished here. Once they start driving down that pathway, they'll probably have to get bollards and all put on yet. There's very little parking here. That there could have been built the whole way down. I still think that's just for service vehicles. Maybe when this is all finished, that gate will stay closed. And you won't get driving down here at all. Right now, Mom, I get something for the wee tummies. But like, people come here to fish and stuff. They haven't given you no access to the river. Once you're in the country part, you're full access to the river. So why is this fenced off here? Ah, so it must be. But I saw a wee sign up to tell you what they were doing. There's nothing to tell you. Some big project this here. I'm done giving the whole way down. Well, we're going to get you something to eat now, pet.